Okay. Good morning. Thank you for here today. Please have a seat. Okay. First, could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, good morning. Thanks for having me. My name is Mehdi Masili. I graduated with a bachelor degree in sports science. I am very passionate about performance training and athlete development. And I am excited for the opportunity to work in Nakorosima Mada FC.
Okay. What do you know about our club?
Yeah, I know that Nakorosima Mada FC is a well established professional football club and known for the developing strong and disciplined player. The club has a royal fan base and a strong identity in Thai football. I admire how the club continue invest in professional staff to improve player performance and long-term success.
Good. What do you know about the position?
This position focus on athlete performance, including planning a training program, monitoring physical conditioning, conducting fitness tests, and preventing injury. It requires teamwork with coach, medical staff, and players to help optimize performance throughout the season.
Hmm. How did you prepare for the interview?
I review the club recent match schedule, training report, and performance need. I also review sports science methods such as load monitoring, recovering protocol, and testing assessment to ensure I can contribute effectively for the first day.
No. Why do Why do you believe you are the best candidate?
Yeah, I have strong foundational knowledge in sports science, especially in exercise physiology and performance testing. I also have experience working directly with football team during training, conditioning, and match preparation. I am disciplined, passionate, and willing to put in the extra effort, including working weekend or travel match.
Good stuff. How do you handle respect and pressure?
Yeah, okay. I handle state by planning ahead, stay organized, and communicating clearly with my team. In professional sport, pressure is normal, so I focus on stay calm and finding solution rather than lashing emotionally.
Okay, cool. What are your plans for continue your education?
Yeah, I plan to continue developing professionally through coaching, license class, sports science workshop, and performance data analysis certification. Okay, my goal is to continue growing so I can contribute more to the club in the long term.
Okay, it's good way. Is there anything you would like to ask?
Yes, I would like to know more about the team's current training schedule and how performance data is currently measured.
Okay. Thank you for your time. That will be for today.
Okay, thank you very much for opportunity. I appreciate the time and I look forward to the possibility of working with the club. Have a good day.
Thank you.